Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of FWR, the car YouTube channel that brings you up close and personal with the best and most beautifully modified cars in all of the land. Remember, guys, if you have a car that you think we need to see, hit us up. Be like, yo, guys, I've got a car and I think you need to see this. Trust me, we will make a mission and we will be there for you. This week, my brother Vusi and I had the honor and pleasure of checking out the most beautifully modified Kia Rio in all of the land. Now, when I say this owner loves his car, you will see the attention to detail that he's put into his whip. When I say this man is working on a student budget, you would never ever believe me, because the level of modification put into this car is absolutely unreal. Now guys, sit back, relax, and make sure you share this video, because this flame-throwing Kia Rio deserves some love. Bro, first of all, thank you for coming. Very introduce yourself to the people.
I had to, sorry. Be honest, my name is Matt. Part of Midnight Crew. We just love cars, eh?
It's a beautiful thing. Tell us about this vehicle, sir.
Alrighty, so it's 2012 Kia Rio, not a tech version, not top of the line, not, out-spec'd. But that's what got me going into it. Started with sound, went through all the sound, then got the wing. From the wing I went on to front splitter, rods, side skirts, rims. It's lowered 40 mils all round, and exhaust, full exhaust, branches by Viper Performance, and then branches backed by Millennium 7, 63 mil stainless steel system. Engine wise, nothing's changed. Got a cone filter because cone filter, but yeah, everything on the car as seen is done by me. The exhaust is the only thing I didn't have any influence of. That was just straight up done, but everything, all the decals, all the painting, everything put on by me, taken off by me. I know every nut, bolt, screw of this car.
That's incredible, bro. Well done. And how long did it take for you to get to this point? Started getting into cars mid 2017. Started modding this car. The wing arrived October, and from there it just escalated. Everything and anything that I could do just came through, and everything's done on a budget. Everything is done on a budget.
Yeah, they have the K badge, which is that badge that's on the car. That comes on all the Kias. It's the only country in the world that gets those badges, and to buy them, it's 1,600 Rand a set. Okay, so I been wanting to, and I was looking at it, and those are actually designed and 3D printed.
No.
Yeah. No. Designed and 3D printed them myself, with my mate Dave, and so yeah, I've got the one for the front, one for the back, and then one for the steering wheel, but I haven't gotten there because I'm too afraid of trying to stick a screwdriver in there in case I accidentally set the airbag off.
That's the last one.
Sway.
People love this car.
It's brilliant.
People honestly love this car. Like people, I've been around very nice cars in my life, but few get the reaction that this car gets.
Yeah.
Like very few people get as excited as they do.
Do it again, but the security guard's still here.
Yeah.
Rather not get kicked out.
100%, especially because we want to film me again in the future. Oh my word. That's crazy. That's crazy. Thank you so much for coming through.
Absolute
I
pleasure,
mean,
guys.
sorry about this rain, cutting
what
our
can
whole
you do,
time
eh?
short, but we really appreciate you coming through. Thank you.
It's been awesome.
No, and we'll
super
see you
keen.
again. Yeah, when it's turbo converted, call us. We'll
Yeah,
be
no,
back.
definitely.
Jeez, and that's crazy.